Hi, this is Monica, and today I will be sharing with you how I made these hibiscus flowers using a stroke, which is just like a push of a round brush. So we are using a round brush. I'm using a 12 size round brush. The bigger the brush, the more robust and big your petals will be. I'm using pink as my base color and loaded my full brush with pink and then yellow on the tip. Now, this can be done in multitude of colors. You could just do it in any color that you like and any combination that you like. Now watch what I do with the stroke. I land it on my page and I fan it out in the same spot by putting pressure on the brush and moving it in the same position. Then push it forward, that is away from you, and then gently pull the brush back towards you and to the point where you think is going to be the center of the flower, right? So this stroke has been done in real time. I have edited only the parts where I was loading the brush and all, but for the flower itself, it's at real time. So this is how slow you need to do it, because it takes time for the brush to be able to, get all that paint down. So if you do it really fast, you'll get an incomplete and parts missing in your stroke. So you want to be deliberate and very slow while doing it. So you land the brush with lots of paint, load lots of paint every time, and then after that get the fan on your brush and then push it forward. That's the most important step people forget. I've had so many people inquire about this stroke. I've never made a video on it because I just don't use the stroke that often, but I decided I will clear all doubts by doing this really slowly for you all, so you all know how to do it. I went around, filled up the gaps and dried it up, and now I'm taking a darker pink and floating medium on a flat brush. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add some depth to the center by loading my flat brush with medium in the brush and only little bit of the darker pink or the magenta on one side of the flat brush. Then I'm going to go and just tap in a U shape in the center of the flower. This is to give a simplistic resemblance of depth there, from which the stamen, hibiscus has that long thing that sticks out, the stamen in front. So just for that, we're going to just load a number 2 script liner, add some light green and just paint in that line. Please make sure that your paint has good consistency, inky consistency, while using the liner brush. Now I'm shifting back to my 12 flat with some light green and dark green and some floating medium, and then putting in my one stroke squiggle leaves. Now this video is not about the leaves, so I'm not really concentrating much on the leaves. It's just to show you how I finished the flower. If you're interested in learning the squiggle leaf, you can always leave me a comment and I will think about making a video on that too. So that's pretty much the card, and it takes very little time to do once you get the hang of it. Here's a quick view of how I did it in blue. I had made a short video out of the same technique with the blue flower, so you could see what it looks like with blues and a touch of purple. And that's it. Here we have our pretty flowers. Hope you like it and you will try it out. Please share your work with me. Share the video with all your friends and family. Give me a like and subscribe if you like my work, and see you in the next video. And thank you for sharing your time with me today.